Next question. On Stolen Stuff Hawaii, a lot of people are concerned about, they might not be classified as violent crimes. They usually are seen as non-violent crimes. However, they are property crimes. You got, your burglaries, your break-ins, your thefts. And I think a lot of people, especially on that forum, are concerned about people being released with our economy literally being locked down and they being the victims. What would you, as the current city prosecutor, sort of comment on to not have people think, oh man, they're just going to release a bunch of people and now I'm going to have to really have that sort of fear of being a victim?
Well, in order to have somebody released from here, there's going to have to be a process that is undergone, and I completely understand people's concerns, which is, I think, what was shared with the Attorney General's and the prosecutor's office. That's why they are insisting on a case-by-case review to see who are we talking about. Is the person being held in custody pending a trial on a residential burglary or multiple residential burglaries? Because that means there has already been a probable cause finding that that person was responsible for a residential burglary, and people would be concerned with that. In addition, do they have any prior convictions? Often the best predictor of future behavior is past and current behavior. Do they have a history of running away from court, of contempt cases? And so I think the public should be reassured that while there is a concern about too many people being held together closely, I think the Attorney General and the prosecutors are rightly concerned. Let's take a look at each of these individual people. I think there will be some that people can agree should be released. But for many others, the prosecutor's office, the AGs, they will be objecting to the release of a number of those folks.